Hello, it's December 11th. Greetings from the Northern Hemisphere. Haugers, YouTubers, and social media friends. This is Danny Zen coming to you live from my condo's laundry room. Listen up, in the next few minutes of investment of time, you're going to learn about a very easy way to not only save energy and money, but actually more importantly, possibly your life, because there's actually over 10,000 household fires that are actually caused by the buildup of lint in people's ducted electric tumble clothes dryers. Okay, so I normally sun dry my clothes for those that know me, but if it's rainy, or cloudy, I may decide to use the electric tumble clothes dryer. Okay, this is here at my condo. So I've actually go ahead and unscrewed the lint trap remover. Of course, you want to clean this before you start your dryer. And if you're like a Chinese Jew like me, I actually, after 30 minutes or halfway through the drying cycle, I will go ahead and open the door while it's running and then clean it out again to have it more efficient, okay? Less build up there. But if you notice, sometimes the lint gets behind it. So I've already taken a flathead screwdriver and unscrewed my lint trap remover, okay? And this is definitely a do-it-yourself. If you're fortunate enough to have a few $100s, you can hire a professional to do a deep cleaning, which I actually recommend that you do, because in this video I will not be going to the ducted part to clean out the back part, okay? But again, this is a do-it-yourself project for sure. So I've unscrewed the lint trap, okay? We'll want to have a wet rag and then some kind of tool. I've got this brush. You can even use a coil brush, okay? And to just scoop out the all the lint that's trapped there, okay, to make your electric tumble clothes dryer more efficient, of course, and not have to work so hard and spend more quarters or more time running another cycle. So if you notice, I've got some gloves on. You might want to wear a particulate matter mask, N95 or higher if you want, but it's a fairly easy job. You can just hire your kid to do it, even if they're in middle school. That good thing to have them do. Okay, occupy them during the winter recess. So very easy. Just going to take a couple minutes to clean out the excess lint that has gotten behind the lint trap. Okay, and so again, for those that happen to be in the South Florida area, if you want a professionally cleaned, clothes dryer. Duct lint removal, you can contact my friend who owns duckmasters.com, and he'll have one of his trained technicians to come out to your home or even business and clean out the ducted part of it in the back, okay? Again, there's well over, I don't know if it's 12 or 15,000 fires a year, household mainly in the US, due to the buildup of lint in people's electric tumble clothes dryers, okay? So this is something that's very important, not just from a money, energy saving point of view, and of course saving our planet, but potentially saving your life as well. For those that know or heard of the cool shoe company, e-commerce company, I think it was called Zappos. I actually ordered some shoes for them, and their late founder, Mr. Tony Hsieh, I believe his name is. I'm not sure how he passed away, but he did pass away, according to my friend who knew him, in a household fire. I don't know what was the cause of that household fire. I never read up on that, but I don't know, who knows? It could be due to a lint trap remover or at a kitchen fire, usually is another common thing, of course, okay? But anyways, very important. Again, if you happen to be in the South Florida area, go to Duck Masters, that's DUCTMASTERS, and then just click on the the appropriate place for the duct cleaning, okay? You could even fill out the Google form and put my name, Danny Zen, and my phone number there, 786-441-2727 is how you learned about us or them, okay? And so, very simple job. I got a wet rag here to kind of deep clean it, and very simple. I know it's not significant, but some people do run multiple loads of clothes that have a lot of kids, or maybe even run a home nursing home or assisted living facility, okay? So this could add up. But again, the prevention and preventing loss of life and property is probably the biggest advantage and benefit by doing this chore. Depending on how many loads of laundry you do, you probably want to do this. Could be as many as quarterly, or maybe at least twice a year. Again, it just depends on how many loads of laundry that you dry in your electric tumble clothes dryer, okay? So anyways, very, very short video. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other great tips that I haven't included already in my 65 plus videos I've uploaded to this channel, feel free to email me your suggestions that are low to no cost preferably, or high tech, new technologies regarding anything to do with energy conservation, efficiency, and renewable energy, and send that on over to onehouseoffthegrid@gmail.com, and that's all letters, O-N-E, houseoffthegrid.com, I'm sorry, @gmail.com. And feel free to check out my Linktree site, which onehouseoffthegrid.com is currently redirecting to. Again, that's O-N-E, houseoffthegrid.com. Will redirect you to Linktree/O-N-E, houseoffthegrid, and that's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/ONE, houseoffthegrid. And be sure to schedule a complimentary net zero energy consultation. And if you pay an energy bill for your business or commercial industrial building anywhere in the world, feel free to scroll down to that appropriate section, okay? So you can see here it's nice and clean, and I'm happy. So that's less number of quarters to feed into that machine there, okay? Anyways, thank you for your kind time and attention. I hope this helps you to have more money for those Christmas gifts, and buying eggnog and decorate your Christmas trees or holidays if you don't if you're not Christian, whatever, okay? Anyways, take care. This is Danny Zen coming to you live again from my condo here in the laundry room, and feel free again to leave me a voicemail if you would be love to save and or earn with my company, onehouseoffthegrid.com, and my landline number again is 786-441-2727. And again, since it's so urgent to counter climate change, sea level rise, as always, I suggest that everyone look and visit the website for citizensclimatelobby.org. That's citizens with an S, climatolobby.org, since they create political will, and is the single greatest lever that we can pull is to have members of Congress pass the Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act, otherwise known as HR 763 bill, which would open the floodgates for renewable energy instead of playing whack-a-mole like me making videos about this, even though it's important, but it's not as a huge impact as Congress passing that bill to put a price on carbon, okay? Anyways, take care, everyone, and again, thank you for your kind time and attention, and again, definitely clean your AC, your laundry, your dryer lint, especially the ductwork in the back. Oh, very important, forgot to mention, if you're low to moderate income household, you want to get up to $840 in upfront rebates once your state energy office gets money, hundreds of millions of dollars from the federal government under the Inflation Reduction Act. You can actually get up to $840, like I said, for a heat pump clothes dryer that's ventless, so that way you won't have to at least clean out the ducted work like in the vented, most people have standard tumble clothes dryer, okay? I will include a link to my an affiliate link. You can get one at Best Buy, okay? Take care, and thanks again in advance. I forgot to Mike Adams and his team there at Brighteon for all their hard work and having to manually approve hundreds of videos probably per day, if not thousands, and compete with the huge staff there at Brighteon, at YouTube, I should say, that has a huge staff, of course, compared to small staff there at Brighteon. Again, thanks Mike Adams and his hardworking team there at Brighteon, okay? And thank you for their help in helping us to shut down the remaining 241 coal-fired power plants that we have left in this country, which is the mission for my One House Off the Grid, okay? Take care, everybody. Be well.